This is mod 1 for the hay baler forward lunge. Starting with your feet in neutral position. As you step forward with that right foot, the hands come to the left of your hip. You're going to chuck that hay bale over your right shoulder, push off that right foot, come through center, and change sides. Hands move to the right hip, step forward with the left, chuck that hay bale over your shoulder, and step back. Keep alternating sides. This is mod 1 for the shuffling hay baler. Come to the left of your space. About a 30-degree bend into the knees and the hips, arms in athletic stance. Shuffle to the right twice. Shuffle, shuffle, pause. Grab that hay bale to the right of you, throw it up into the middle. Come back to your athletic position, move to the left. Stay low, find that hay bale to the left, up and over, to the right again. Shuffle, shuffle, hay bale. Shuffle, shuffle, hay bale. Keep your weight low. Athleticism, breath. This is mod 1 for the hay baler side lunge. Starting with your feet in neutral position. Take a big step to the right. Bend into that right knee about 50 degrees. From here, you're going to find that hay bale to the right of your knee and chuck it over your shoulder. The action is on the upstroke. Really think about that effort as you move those arms up. The weight is in the right heel. Use your core. Use your breath at the same time. This is mod 1 for lateral quick feet to forward lunge. Starting to the left of your space. Get into that little semi-squat position. Bring your hands onto the hips. We're going to step quickly to the right twice. And now you're going to take a lunge with that outside leg, bending 50 degrees. Step back, quick feet to the left. Quick, quick, pause, plant it, lunge it, come back to neutral, quick feet to the right. Right, right, lunge it, come back to center, and again to the left. Quick, land it, lunge it, athletic position. This is mod 1 for the bloat. We're going to do quick feet into lunges. Your trainer's going to fire out different commands. So forward lunge, side lunge, back lunge. Make sure you're moving quickly, but making sure that you keep safety in your body. Let's go. Fast feet. Racket is in that right hand. Find that athletic stance. Now we're going to do a forward lunge. Step forward, little 50-degree bend into those knees. Back to your center. Let's go to the side. Side lunge, 50-degree bend, little forehand shot. Keep moving those feet. Let's go. Left side, side lunge. Just keep moving. Let's do another forward lunge, a little volley, and a back lunge. Step back. Keep moving those feet in between. Forward lunge and back lunge. Keep moving. Forward lunge. Fast feet, back lunge. Fast feet to the right, side lunge. To the left, side lunge. Side lunge again. Side lunge again. Keep moving your body. You're doing great. This is mod 1 for the reaching forward lunge. Starting with your feet in neutral position. Bring those arms into that W shape. Elbows tucked into the ribs, palms face up to the ceiling. Step forward with that right foot, bending to the knees about 30 degrees. Find a little rotation and then a reach forward. Come back up through to neutral, step back, and do the other side. Step forward with the left foot. Make sure the knees are pointing straight forward. Twist to the left, and then reach down. Come back up through neutral, continue alternating sides. Step forward, twist, lean forward, come back up, push through that right foot. Pushing into the front foot, come back to neutral. This is mod 1 for the reaching shuffle lunge. We're going to start to the left of our space in that athletic stance. So feet wide apart, toes forward, arms out. We're going to shuffle to the right twice. 1, 2. Now lunge and reach that arm to the right. And now to the other side. Shuffle, shuffle, reach. Shuffle, shuffle, reach. Shuffle, shuffle, reach. This is mod 1 for the throwing lunge. Starting with your feet in a neutral position, you're going to step forward with your left foot as you reach that right arm up and over, follow through, and step back. And now change legs. Step that right foot forward, left arm comes up and over, and step back. Keep alternating sides, moving the opposite arm. 30-degree bend into those knees. Full range of motion with the arms. This is mod 1 for the crossing lunge drill. Starting with your feet in a neutral position. Bring your hands onto your hips and turn your torso to the right 45 degrees. Step forward with that left foot. Find a 30-degree bend into that front knee. Now step back to center, and now for the other side. Step forward with the right foot, bend into both knees, come back to center. Now for a little squat jump, bend those knees to 30, jump up, and reset. Now we go the other way first. Right foot steps forward, turn your body, bend your knees. Back to center, other way. Left foot forward, turn your body, Bend both knees, a little squat jump. This is mod 1 for the bent over Zen swing. Starting with your feet wider than hip distance apart. A little micro bend into the knees. You're just gonna start to move those arms around the body. Letting the hips direct the movement. So let that left hip come forward and then the right hip. And the arms will just follow. Eyes are forward, working through the rotation of the upper back. This is mod 1 for the cross crawl. Starting with feet in neutral position. Give yourself a hug with those arms, fingertips onto the shoulders. Standing on your left foot first, pick up the right leg and twist towards that lifted leg. Release that foot back to the floor and change. Pick up the opposite leg, twist toward the lifted leg and change. The exhale's on exertion. This is mod 1 for the bloat. We're gonna do some directional change drills with that racket in hand. Your trainer's gonna fire out forward, back, left, right. You're gonna hit the ball, come back to that athletic position in the center between hits. Let's get started. Grab that racket, let's start to the right. We're just gonna step to the right, a little forehand, shuffle to the left, a little backhand. Up in the net, a little volley, go all the way back, hit that ball. Keep moving, go left, little backhand, and forward. Come back to your athletic position, little forehand shot. Let's switch hands. Left hand, little shuffle, little left hit, little backhand. You got this, go back. Woo! All right, all the way forward, boom. You got this, keep moving. This is mod 1 for the drop sumo squat. Starting with our feet in neutral position, reach those arms down in front of you. You're gonna jump down into a sumo squat, 30-degree bend into the knees and the hips. Come back to neutral and then jump it right back out again. This is mod 1 for the force field swinger. Starting with your feet wider than hip distance apart. Bend into the knees, tilt forward, bring those arms out in front of you, straight in front of the shoulders. You're gonna reach the right arm up at about 45. And then as you bring that right hand back in front of the shoulder, the left arm is gonna reach up. And then we go again. So it's like you have 2 magnets. Your hands are magnets and they're never gonna touch. Back of the neck is long, spine is long, core engaged. This is mod 1 for the front kicks. Starting in athletic position, left foot forward, right leg back, get those hands up, and we're just gonna do some knee drives. That right knee's gonna come up, and then tap the foot back. So you're just using your core here. Get that knee up. Find your breath. Exhale on the way up to get that knee up. Tap the toe, light on those feet. And make sure you do the second side.